Rise and shine, fam. You know that feeling where you're still wrapped up in the warmth of your bed, but you've got to shake off that sleepiness? Well, I've got you covered. These 3 easy stretches will have you feeling alive, awake, and ready to own your day in just 5 minutes. Let's go! Let's start with one of my favorites, child's pose. Picture yourself waking up in a quiet forest, the morning light breaking through the trees, and all you can hear is your breath. Get down on all fours, spread your knees wide, and gently sit on your hips, back onto your heels. Stretch those arms forward and rest your forehead on the floor. Take a deep breath in and exhale. With each breath, imagine any tension from your sleep melting into the ground. 5 deep breaths here, giving your body a moment to just be. Feel that sense of calm. That's your body thanking you for slowing down. Now, we're taking it up a notch with downward dog. Imagine you're reaching up to greet the sun after a long night. Press into your palms, lift your hips up high to the sky, and feel the stretch along the back of your legs. Start pedaling your feet like you're waking up each hamstring, one by one, shaking off any stiffness. Lengthen your spine, stretch your entire body, and just breathe. This is your good morning to every muscle. 5 deep breaths, inhaling that fresh morning air. Feel that energy creeping in. Finally, let's rise up into a standing forward fold. Imagine you're gathering all that fresh energy from the ground, standing tall, taking a deep breath in as you lift up your arms up, and now exhale as you slowly fold forward, letting gravity take over. No rush. Let your head hang heavy, reaching for your toes, and feel the gentle stretch in your back, in your hamstrings. This is the final wake-up call for your body. Take a few deep breaths here, and with every exhale, feel the tension leave your body. You're releasing what's left of that grogginess. You're light, awake, and ready. And there you have it, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've loosened up, stretched it out, and got energy flowing. Fam, now go tackle the day like the legend you are. Save this routine, come back to it every morning. Let's make waking up feel like a blessing. Don't forget to share this with someone who needs a little morning boost. Because let's be real, we all do. Let's go!